Your soul food plate is up, my guy and gal. Soul food. It's been a while since I had some soul food. So, collard greens, tablespoon of oil. We got half an onion in. Please forgive me for this. I did not find any smoked pork heart today at the store, so we have to kind of just go with the bacon, all right? We cool with that? We cool with that? All right, then. Also, no collard greens. What we're gonna substitute for? Green mustard, all right? So green mustard works just as well and just as delicious, all right? So forgive me for that, all right? Bacon nicely cooked. 1 liter of chicken stock in. Then we're gonna go in with a teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon of white vinegar. Once this catch a nice rolling boil, we got our green mustard greens in, all right? If you have collard greens in, I heard mixing green mustard and collard greens together makes the perfect combination. So at a medium heat, we're gonna cook this down for 1 hour. All right, one thing you guys have probably seen, I did not put any salt in my collard greens or my mustard greens. So the reason why I didn't put any salt right now is just because 1, my chicken stock is salty. 2, my bacon is salty. So at the end, I'm gonna do taste and adjust season for my liking. All right, kind of a gong show right now. I bought the wrong yams. These are yellow yams, but let's see if it works, okay? So we got a clump of butter here. We got 1 cinnamon stick here. We got 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We got a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. And I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of salt, and we're just gonna caramelize this, all right? Caramelization going. Our yellow yams in. Okay, I'm gonna give this a nice little stir around. Let everybody get coated in that goodness. Caramelization. Break down the heat to a nice medium. Throw on the lid for about 40 minutes, alright? Last side, mac and cheese. 1 beautiful clump of butter. Remember this seasoning flour here? That's gonna coat the chicken. 1 heaping tablespoon into our beautiful mac and cheese sauce, alright? Now we're gonna cook this in. Okay, once you got that roux going, I'm gonna do 2 cups of whipping cream here. My cream sauce nice and thickened with the beautiful cream. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. I also got this Gouda spread here, which I'm just gonna do 1 heaping tablespoon of this. Turn off the heat and fold the cheese in, my guy. That's it. Let that melt. Then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, or if you have salt, my guy. All right. Taste and adjust seasoning for your liking. Pasta in, and we fold in. Make sure your heat is off, alright? This, my friend, is love. This is what I call love. Yeah. Nice, beautiful cheese topping. Throw it into our spaceship for about 20 minutes at 160, alright? Let's show our beautiful chicken some love. So I got 5 pieces of drums here. I say tablespoon, because I got something special today, guys. Look at this. Look what I found today. Yeah! Very, very rare here, guys. Got some buttermilk that is 30% off because nobody used buttermilk here. So, 1/2 cup of buttermilk here. What a rare treat, guys. You guys are in for a ride. No more yogurt, right? We did it. We got 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper here. And also follow in with 1/2 cup of any type of hot sauce you want, alright? Let this marinate for 3 hours minimum, right? Chicken flour seasoning, 3 cups of flour. We got 1.5 tablespoons of salt here. We got a teaspoon of basil. We got a teaspoon of garlic powder. We got a teaspoon of thyme. We got a tablespoon of hot paprika, and we got a tablespoon of regular paprika. We got a teaspoon of ground mustard here. We got a tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper, and we got a tablespoon of onion powder. And this is what we're gonna do. Just mix it up. Last thing now is this, my friend. 2 cracked eggs in our beautiful chicken. We're gonna work that in. We want this egg to coat all 5 of this chicken. Once coated, shake off any excess into our flour. We're just gonna do 1 coating. Okay, shake off any excess. Once you see beautiful balls bubbling around that beautiful chopstick or wooden spoon, everybody into the pool. I don't care if they can swim. They just have to get it in. Cooking time for these drums, 18 to 20 minutes, alright? Don't overcrowd the pool. 18 to 20 minutes in, you better respect my fried chicken game. My God. The most beautiful thing in the world. Look at that shit. Ooh-wee. Can I set you up, my guy? So, sweet potato yams, but with, what's this? Yellow yams. So I think the yellow yam is a little thicker. Taste-wise, I'd say very similar, right? Just a bit, right? That's some collard greens for you, right? Look at all that bacon, my guy. My guy. Can I scoop you up some? Mac and cheese, my guy. Oh. Put it here. Man, look at 2 pieces of fried chicken. My guy. Oh, that's $69. Your soul food plate is up, my guy and gal. Come through. Come through. Sip on this. Orange juice. It's got this. That's good, Bev. Okay, let's go. Soul food. Come to Kwan's. Quick time. It's got nice. Oh. See it juicy? You see it becoming juicy? Good. Don't swallow. Don't swallow. Mac and cheese, quick time. Sorry guys, going back and forth. That's got nice. Super busted. Don't swallow. You gotta build that flavor in your mouth. Greens with the bacon. Feels kind of nice. Okay, yellow yams. Okay, the yellow yams is a little thick, but the taste is still there. Woohoo! Got the hot sauce. And you just go in circles, right? What are you guys coming to Kwan's? Oh man! Crystals too. Back it up a bit, my guy. Are you guys gonna come grab some or what? Bit of the mac and cheese. Beth, if this isn't the most delicious thing you guys ever pop in your mouth, I'll pay your groceries, right? It's delicious. I think really now, it is. One of you guys gotta invite me to your cook-up. Invite me to your grandma's cookout, right? After my trip here from Vietnam, I plan on going home, then heading up to the States. I want to be invited to your guys' cookout. How about I cook you guys a meal? Then you guys show me how you guys get down. I think that'll be real fun. Oh man. Heaven! Yeah, this is the only way to eat soul food. Okay? You can't rush it. You gotta build that flavor in your mouth. If you know, you know. Alright? If you know, you know. If you don't know, then it's like Thanksgiving, but 10 times better. Come through, my guy. Come through.